How do you make success a habit? Hi, my name is Regitze and I share these little videos around business and coaching. So if you like content like this, don't forget to like, follow and subscribe, share it with a friend, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a video. But let's jump into it. How do you make success a habit? Well, being successful requires a lot of hard work and persistence. So it could be, you can't just be persistent and hardworking sometimes. It has to be something that you are. It has to be a personal trait that you do. For me, I used to write, when I was a small girl, I wrote a lot of horse riding competitions, so I did that actually for my whole entire childhood and teens, and also until I was maybe 35 or so. And that took a lot of hard work. I mean, taking care of the horses, first of all, every single day, and also after work or after school, every single day, I would train my horses. And the weekend, we would go to horse riding competitions. I would have to prepare and get up really early in the morning. There's a lot of preparation for horse riding competitions. So the whole entire Friday would go with preparing for the competition. And then Saturday morning, we would get up at 3 o'clock in the morning, drive really far to the competition. Usually my father would drive me. And then I would compete all day. We would stay outside all day. And often it was very cold. I live in Denmark. And then we would often sleep in the trailer or sleep in the tent, and sometimes it was frost at night. The horses had it better, they were in the stall, but we had to sleep in the tent or in the trailer, and then compete the whole entire next day, being outside in the cold. There wasn't too many places we could go inside and have and get warm, maybe a cafeteria or so. But it was very hard and cold. I would do that almost every weekend. And I did that because I was committed. I was committed to being the best and doing my best. And it was the same later on when I became a nurse, and I would easily work 90 hours per week. It wasn't too hard for me because it was just a habit. I was used to working hard and long hours. So it was no problem for me. And it's definitely also been useful for me after I started my business, because in the beginning it also took a lot of long hours, long nights, and hard work and persistence. And the thing is, you have to also be persistent when things are not going your way. And it's usually not going your way in the beginning when you start a business. And there's a lot of failures, and you can't let that stop you. But comment below what are your experiences. Do you find it difficult to start a business, or how has it been for you? And don't forget to like, follow and subscribe, share it with a friend, click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a video. And also send me a DM or comment below if you want help with starting your own coaching business. And talk to you later. Take care. Bye.